Earth is an incredible planet, full of wonders that sometimes seem too strange to be real. While we think we know a lot about our world, there are still countless mysteries hidden in its depths, skies, and landscapes. In this video, we'll explore 10 fascinating and mysterious secrets about Earth that will leave you speechless. 1. The ocean is still mostly unexplored. When you look at a world map, you might think we've explored every inch of our planet. But in reality, more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. That means most of the deep sea is a complete mystery. Scientists have mapped the surface of Mars and the Moon better than Earth's ocean floor. The deep sea is home to bizarre creatures that look like they belong in science fiction, such as glowing jellyfish, anglerfish, and giant squid. Some believe there could even be unknown sea monsters or new life forms hidden in the dark depths. Because of the extreme pressure, freezing temperatures, and lack of light, exploring the deep ocean is extremely difficult. With advances in technology, we might one day uncover unimaginable secrets lurking beneath the waves. 2. The boiling river in the Amazon. Imagine falling into a river and getting burned as if you touched boiling water. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, there is a place where this is a reality. The Sinead-Timpishka River, also called the Boiling River, has waters so hot they can reach up to 93 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to cook an animal alive. Local legends say the river was created by a powerful spirit, but scientists believe underground geothermal activity is responsible. What makes this river mysterious is that it is located far from any known volcanoes, making its extreme heat a scientific puzzle. This unique and dangerous river remains one of the Earth's most fascinating natural wonders. 3. A place where gravity is weaker. Did you know that in Hudson Bay, Canada, gravity is weaker than in most places on Earth? If you stood there, you wouldn't float, but you would actually weigh slightly less than you do in other parts of the world. This happens because of two reasons. Melting glaciers. Thousands of years ago, massive glaciers covered this region. When they melted, they left behind a dent in the Earth's crust, reducing the gravitational pull. Mantle convection. Beneath the Earth's surface, molten rock moves slowly in cycles. This movement shifts mass around and slightly reduces gravity in the area. While the difference is small, it's still enough to make Hudson Bay one of the strangest places on Earth. 4. The singing sand dunes. Have you ever heard sand sing? In some deserts around the world, such as those in China, Chile, and California, sand dunes make deep, humming sounds when the wind blows over them. This strange noise can sometimes be as loud as a low-flying airplane. Scientists discovered that the sound is created when millions of grains of sand rub together in a very specific way. Different types of sand can produce different sounds, including deep roars, whistles, and even musical tones. For centuries, local legends have told stories about spirits or supernatural forces creating these mysterious noises. While science has solved the mystery, the sound of singing sand dunes is still an incredible experience. 5. A hidden ocean beneath the Earth. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But scientists have found a massive underground ocean buried 400 miles beneath Earth's surface. This hidden ocean is not like the ones we see on the surface. It is trapped inside a special blue mineral called ringwoodite. What's even more shocking is that it contains 3 times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. This discovery suggests that Earth's water might have originally come from within the planet rather than from icy comets, as scientists previously believed. Some even wonder if underground life could exist in this hidden ocean. 6. The eternal storm in Venezuela. In Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela, there is a storm that never stops. This phenomenon, known as Relámpago del Catatumbo lightning, produces over 1.2 million lightning strikes per year. The storm can last for 260 nights a year, with lightning flashing as often as 28 times per minute. Scientists believe this happens because of the unique combination of mountains, warm water, and wind currents that create a perfect storm cycle. For centuries, sailors have used the constant lightning as a natural lighthouse, and many local legends say the storm has supernatural origins. Whether mystical or scientific, it remains one of the most incredible weather mysteries on Earth. 7. The glowing waters of bioluminescent bays. Imagine walking along a beach at night and seeing the ocean glow blue and green like a scene from a fantasy movie. This happens because of tiny organisms called bioluminescent plankton, which produce light when they are disturbed. The most famous glowing waters are found in places like Puerto Rico, the Maldives, and Jamaica. When you swim or move in the water, it lights up, making it look like magic. This incredible phenomenon is completely natural, and scientists believe it helps these tiny creatures scare away predators. Visiting a bioluminescent bay is truly an unforgettable experience. 8. The Door to Hell. A burning crater in Turkmenistan. In the middle of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan, there is a giant crater that has been on fire for over 50 years. This mysterious place is called the Darvaza gas crater, but many people call it the Door to Hell. It was created in 1971 when scientists were drilling for natural gas. The ground collapsed, and dangerous gases started escaping. To prevent pollution, the scientists set the crater on fire, thinking it would burn out in a few days. However, the flames never stopped. Decades later, it is still burning, making it one of the strangest places on Earth. 9. The Island of Dolls, Isla de las Muñecas. Near Mexico City, there is a small island filled with hundreds of old, creepy dolls hanging from trees. According to legend, a man who lived there found a drowned girl in a canal and started hanging dolls to appease her spirit. People who visit the island say they feel uneasy, and some even claim they have seen the dolls move their heads or whisper at night. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, it's definitely one of the spookiest places in the world. 10. The Moving Rocks of Death Valley. In Death Valley, USA, scientists discovered rocks that move on their own across a dry lake bed, leaving long trails behind them. For years, people thought ghosts or aliens were responsible. However, scientists finally solved the mystery. On cold nights, a thin layer of ice forms under the rocks. When the ice melts in the morning, the wind pushes the rocks, making them glide slowly across the ground. Even though we now understand how it happens, it still looks magical when these rocks appear to move by themselves. Conclusion. Earth is full of mysteries, and some of them are still waiting to be solved. Which of these secrets amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about our incredible planet.